In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save Gmail password in Google Chrome. Simple. To get started, make sure you are on a computer where you use Google Chrome and open the Chrome browser like you normally would. The goal here is to confirm that Chrome is allowed to offer saving passwords, so when you sign into Gmail, Chrome can store that login for you in its built-in password manager. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three dots icon, which opens the main Chrome menu. Click those three dots to open the drop-down. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Chrome, where you can control things like privacy, appearance, and password options. Inside Settings, find the section called Autofill and Passwords, and click it. This area is where Chrome manages saved information, including passwords. Next, click Google Password Manager. This is the tool Chrome uses to store and manage your saved logins, and it is also where you can control whether Chrome offers to save new passwords. When Google Password Manager opens, look to the left side menu and click Settings. You are now in the exact place where the key option is located. Find the setting labeled Offer to Save Passwords. Make sure this option is toggled on. When it is on, Chrome will prompt you to save passwords when you sign in on websites such as Gmail. If it is off, Chrome will not offer to save anything, even if you enter the correct login. As a quick tip, after turning this on, the next time you sign into Gmail, pay attention near the top of the browser window or near the address bar, because that is where Chrome typically shows the Save Password prompt. If you are using a shared computer, be cautious about saving passwords for privacy reasons. Once Offer to Save Passwords is enabled, you are all set, and Chrome is ready to save your Gmail password when you sign in. And that is all there is to it.